How to make your ex-boyfriend miss you a lot. You know your value, but your ex dumped you. Even if that's the case, you still want him to be at your side again. It's crazy, right? That's normal. And if you want to get him back again, without appearing like a pathetic loser, you should start at the most crucial step, making him miss you. But before you do anything to make him miss you, stop or avoid these 3 things that would jeopardize your attempt. Going nuts at texting, GNAT for short, is texting an ex so much after a breakup. It's annoying, and it's the last thing you should do if you want your ex to miss you. Being at the receiving end of gnatting is infuriating. It's like a fly is buzzing around you all day. Despite your efforts of shooing or flailing around to push the fly away, it doesn't work. If you're texting him like that, he'll only view you as a pest, and that wouldn't really help make him miss you. Who misses pests and flies anyway? When you were still a couple, your boyfriend might either appreciate or tolerate excessive texting, but after a breakup, he might not be too welcoming. Gnatting is also the reason most couples initiate a no-contact rule. Remember that after a breakup, the one who broke the relationship would like to have some time away from the ex and move on. You might have already done it to your ex. It doesn't mean that you should just give up and it's over for you guys. You just need to stop, especially if he has already said you need to take things slow with the texting or stop it altogether for the meantime. Let his head cool down. No contact rule. If a person misses someone, it means that he hasn't made contact with the person he misses for a long time. If you want to make your ex miss you, then the last thing you should do is to initiate the no contact rule. A no contact rule is basically an argument between you two. This agreement, as its name implies, should discourage you two to make contact on a set amount of time. No contact rules are commonly set to a duration of 21, 30, or 45 days. The most common setup is 30-day no contact. This might make you insecure or antsy. However, remember that distance and absence make the heart grow fonder. Allowing your ex to contact you when he wants to makes the breakup easier for him. That's an unfair setup. It doesn't make sense that he can mingle or even flirt with you despite him saying that you two should split up. Set a no contact rule to prevent that. Make him realize what he lost by fully disconnecting from him for a finite amount of time. When he misses you, that's the time he'll realize that he made a grave mistake of letting you go. Preventing him from remembering how good it is with you. Men are simple creatures. They love to stay with someone who makes them feel good. They hate to stay with someone who makes them feel bad. If your ex is the one who initiated the breakup, he'll think that you're a victim. He'll know that he hurt you, especially if he truly loved you before things got crazy. After the breakup, the last thing he wants is to deal with you. Every time you try to be near him, he'll feel guilty. Doing things for him after you break up will only exacerbate his guilt. Because of that, it's crucial for you to let that guilt die down first. 2 effective tactics to make him miss you. Once you've made sure you've prevented or stopped those 3 things, it's time to make him miss you through these simple tactics. Cold/warm tactic. If he broke the no contact rule, this is the best tactic to employ. It involves 3 simple steps. Number 1, entertain him a bit. Number 2, stop and ignore him for a while. Number 3, rinse and repeat. This will make him feel good and remember how good it is to be with you. But then you will just cut him off cold and make him remember that you're not his anymore. This will frustrate him and will definitely make him miss you. Social media flair. This is a rather new tactic thanks to technology. Exes love to get their information about their old partners through social media, and even though your guy broke up with you, he'll check on you from time to time on your social media accounts. Take advantage of that and make him feel that he is missing out on a lot by doing these steps. Number 1. Post the activities you frequently do with him. Do it with a friend. Number 2. Revisit the places you were with him alone and do the things you both wanted to do with him on those places. Post all those. Number 3. Make him remember what you've looked like before when you met him by getting your hair done and buying new clothes that are similar to what you always wore before. Missing a person is a powerful emotion. That's why for many people, a dog meeting his human partner after a year is a more impactful scene than two lovers kissing passionately on the street. However, making your ex feel that emotion can be difficult and tricky. After all, you've already split for a certain reason, and he's already prepared himself to live a life without you. So be wary of the 3 mistakes mentioned, and good luck with the social media game and the hot or cold tactic. Can you see yourself doing, saying, using any of these in your life? Then remember that this is only the tip of the iceberg. Do you want to discover the real reasons why men lose interest? What makes him stay in love, and how to dramatically improve your love life forever? Then click the link in the description below now. Also, like the video and comment below because I love reading your comments. Remember to subscribe to Modern Love Potion to become a woman men can't resist. And I'll see you in the next video.